Hello everyone. So today we will start with the one of the Python library which is Seaborn. Okay. So first of all, in the first video we will talk about the introduction of this library and also how to install Seaborn. Okay. So Seaborn is a Python library for the data visualization, which offers a user-friendly interface for producing statistical graphics. Okay, and it is designed to work with the pandas data frames and making it easy to visualize and explore data quickly and effectively. The next thing is it is built on the top of Matplotlib, and it offers a variety of powerful tools for visualizing the data, which includes like scatter plots, line plots, bar plots, and many more. Okay, and it also provides support for the advanced statistical analysis like regression or distribution plots, etc. And it provides a range of default themes and colors which you can easily customize to suit your preferences. Okay, so now we will check about what is the difference between Matplotlib and Seaborn library. So here is the difference. Matplotlib is a low-level plotting library, okay, which provides a wide range of tools for creating highly customizable visualization. Okay, whereas Seaborn is the high-level interface for creating statistical graphics, and obviously it is built on the top of what Matplotlib. Second point is Matplotlib provides a limited set of default styles and color palettes. Seaborn offers a range of default styles and color palettes that are optimized for different types of data and visualization. So Seaborn is generally better suited for creating statistical graphics and exploratory data analysis, while Matplotlib is better suited for creating highly customizable plots for the presentation and publications. So now the next thing is how to install Seaborn. So using command prompt we can easily install. So what you have to type is pip install, and then you have to type Seaborn, that is the name of the library, and just press enter. See, you can see that successfully installed Seaborn 0.13.2. So now in my next video we will start with the examples based on Seaborn library, where we will see different types of plottings like a scatter plot or a line plot or a bar plot, etc., and many more. Thank you everyone.